on, I will create a lobby.
Oh, friends only. Okay. I'm taking your mom. No. That's really guys. You ate also. Where is me? We need no fuel.
Help, I'm drowning.
We don't care.
Moon is under the boat. I am under.
She's dying.
I will go.
On. Ayan.
It follows me.
Sa loob ka na?
No.
You need to receipt. Okay.
What the heck? I got a screenshot.
We need to find our mom.
Did I got a screenshot?
Oh, I have to.
We each other.
Oh, there's an island.
Oh, we're not going to.
Oh my God! Slingshot them. No!
She's dead.
Oh, there's an island.
Let's go there.
Let's go.
Oh, let's go here.
Okay.
There is something.
Slingshot.
There.
I already got it.
There's another one.
Mauuna si Absol.
So don't open it. Small health potion.
I have two.
I think we do. We have no heart. Low heart. It's going no heart.
Yeah, small health.
Maybe I use it. We get to the boat.
Is it done already?
Let's go to. Oh my God!
We're going far. Come back to the island. Gonna be
This is the boat. This is the boat.
Where?
Follow.
I can't. Drive the boat.
No! Stop!
I can't see anything. I am going to eat help. Oreo is walking. Yes. Whoa.
Wait, guys, stop! I can't. No!
Bye.
Please stop.
Okay.
Come here.
How do you?
Yeah.
Okay.
Go.
I can speed.
Follow the arrow.
What is
Oh wait,
this?
guys!
What is
I'm
this?
done.
Let's go there.
Oh my God!
Wait. Wait lang, ipapark ko lang. I'll just park this. Is this Epstein Private Island?
A skinny monster.
Is this Epstein Private Island?
I guess. It looks like. What's this?
That.
Take this. Yes.
Alright. Hey, no way. Is this a gun? Place on the boat.
There's a chest.
I'll get it.
We need to explore.
I have 200 pesos.
Did what? There's more.
Ano ba yan? Sound effect na yan.
I'm going to the boat because
Wala na? This is all. Let's go.
Guys, don't. It's just
Let's go to the boat.
No. I'm just gonna
Wait.
put something.
There's some... Wait. Ah, never mind.
What is this?
I can go up there.
Oh, we got a gun.
Ah! Hey!
Wait lang.
Who's not in here yet?
Oo nga.
Okay.
So let's go.
So, I have a salt trap and where am I going to place this?
I got the gun thing.
Welcome back to Blocks News. This just in. Mom is alive
Battery.
and has been spotted with Sheldon in the Scorched Dunes. Our investigation team has found evidence
What am I
that
gonna get?
Mom and Sheldon actually
Drink
know
it.
each other. Here's our reporter, Eliza Kassan,
Flying
with the story.
medic.
Mr. Boom
Oh, I
Boom.
healed myself.
Found this Australian man.
I
You
have...
guys can heal here.
I got
Yourself.
a flying medic.
Sir,
Come.
please
Do
tell
I
us
have
more.
something?
You can heal yourself.
What the heck is that, me?
Yes!
Yeah,
It's you!
I saw you. Wait, guys,
It's
I saw
really
you.
you! Copycat.
So, it's you again.
It's you! Wait, you didn't heal yourself. In the other island.
Wait. It's Yuni.
What? Is this a coincidence?
It's Uni.
Yuni.
What the
without face
hell?
I like to drink hot dog water.
It's really... Roni Baba, it's your
6'7".
friend. It's your friend, right?
It's not my friend either.
The one who called you
Potato is like.
baby.
Who created the server, right?
Yeah.
Why is it all my friends? You
I
stalking
have
them?
props. I'm going to
Wait,
take
guys.
it here.
I'm not in the boat yet.
Oh.
I saw someone. Oh my gosh, you're going to die.
Oh my god.
No.
You are down. Let's just...
What is that?
What
I'm dead too. Bye bye.
Revive. Me. Bye bye.
Hello. Hello.
Bye bye.
Hello.
Bye bye.